Hello everyone, my name is Neilon and today I will explain how you can create your free account in BTP trial account. Okay, I will explain in this course how you can create this trial account to use the SAP Cloud integration. You need to understand the SAP Cloud integration is one of the tools that exist inside of the BTP. Okay, then for you create, you need to go here in this website sap.com, okay, like this link here. In the top of the right here, you have an icon, log on. You click in this icon here in the top right. You can click and create your SAP account. You put your email here, your name, your last name, the country that you live, the company, I put test here, no problem, your cell phone, the department, you can put anything here, okay, I put info technology, relationship with SAP, I put consultant here. You need to check all the box to agree the terms and you click in submit. When you do this, okay, it say that my account exists because I have an account already, okay? But after you send, you receive an email for you activate your account. Email more or less like that, okay, of SAP in your email. You need to click and activate your account. After that, you're able to use the BTP trial account, okay? If something is not clear yet in this video, in the video, you can see the link below about how to explain how to create step by step the trial account. Okay, it's the same thing that I explained here in the video, but I will put the link for you read too. Okay, guys. In the next video, I will show you how you can use the BTP trial account. Thank you, guys.